Have you ever wondered how to check Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 for the network which you connected about a month ago at your friend's home or at work? I'll show you in this video how to check Wi-Fi password for currently connected network as well as for those networks which were connected long time ago. Stay tuned and watch till end. To check Wi-Fi password for currently connected Wi-Fi network, click on Wi-Fi icon at the taskbar to open Wi-Fi network list. Then click on Network and Internet Settings. You will be taken to Network and Internet Status page. Click on Change Adapter Options. This will take you to the traditional network connections page where you can see details of network adapters. Double click on Wi-Fi to open adapter status. Then click on Wireless Properties. This will open wireless network properties for currently connected Wi-Fi network, which is MIA2 Lite in my case. Now head towards Security tab. On this tab, security information of connected Wi-Fi network is available. Click on Show Characters to see network key or Wi-Fi password. Please note that this action requires administrator rights. If you are not logged in as user with administrator rights, this action will pop up dialog for entering administrator credentials to proceed with showing network security key. In this way, we were able to see Wi-Fi password for the currently connected network. But what about the other Wi-Fi passwords which are saved in non-networks such as Linksys or any other saved network? For checking out Wi-Fi password for all saved networks at once, we are going to use command prompt as administrator to export all saved Wi-Fi profiles to a local folder on your computer. Make sure you are logged in as administrator or have administrator credentials with you to follow along. Now we have opened command prompt as administrator. First of all, type cd / and hit enter to move to root directory in C. Type in mkdir Wi-Fi to make a new directory in C drive called Wi-Fi where all network profiles are to be exported in next steps. Type cd Wi-Fi to change active directory to newly created folder Wi-Fi. Now type in command as shown in video to check out summary of all Wi-Fi networks which can be exported. Type in second command as shown on your screen to export all Wi-Fi network profiles to newly created folder in C drive. Type in exit and hit enter to close command prompt. Now open File Explorer to check out exported files. I will open Start menu and choose File Explorer. Alternatively, you can also open it using shortcut window key +E. Please note, opening File Explorer might take you to Quick Access window instead of this PC window as shown in the video. This is because I have changed default File Explorer settings to open this PC. Now let's head to C drive to open your Wi-Fi folder containing XML exported profiles of all saved networks. You can open XML file in Notepad for checking out Wi-Fi passwords. Currently, I am connected to MIA2 Lite Wi-Fi network and have seen password for this network few moments ago. Now let's check out password for another network named TutuLink N100RE. Right-click desired file, head to open with and choose Notepad. Now Wi-Fi profile data is visible in Notepad in a fancy manner. Don't worry about so much information. Look for key material information as highlighted in the video. Information written between key material tags is the Wi-Fi password for the network whose name is appearing in Notepad title bar. In this video, we learned how to show Wi-Fi password for active network. Later, we explored how we can export all Wi-Fi network profiles in one go using command prompt. I hope you liked the content. Please don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe my channel on YouTube. You can also like my page on Facebook. Please share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for your time.